Koala Cuddle Band is super simple to wear. All you have to do is put it on just like you would with your favorite t-shirt. Before placing the baby, it is important to adjust it well in the back and widen the bands on the shoulders. Also remember to tighten well the rings without the child. This will help you position the baby in the correct way. Once the child's leg is inserted, remember to spread the fabric well under his bump to facilitate the position. In the M position, your baby will smell your perfume and fall asleep in just a few seconds. The support band is useful for giving more support for the baby's back. Tie the band under the butt of your baby. This should help you for a better support of the weight of the child. We thought it's good to have a pocket where you can insert some things you need during your long walks. Wearing and removing the Koala Cuddle Band is easy. I could do it anywhere and without need of anyone's help. And if you are very good, as our Elisa, you will even manage not to wake up your baby. Slightly widen the rings to remove the band more easily. Put it in its bag. It will be ready to use for the next walk.